If you want to learn t-shirt design using Canva, then you have clicked on right video. In this video, I will show you how to design t-shirt using Canva. So let's begin. Firstly, open a browser, search Canva. Click on first link. First, you have to sign up. I have already signed up. In your case, the interface will look like this. Sign up by clicking on sign up from here. The process is very simple and easy. Click on create design. Search t-shirt, then click on it. What design will be on the t-shirt should be done first. There are numbers template here. Select any one from here or write the topic of your t-shirt here and do search. I am writing here motivation. I selected a template that I liked. You can customize the template as you like. Here I will upload a logo. I had already prepared it. I will show you where I got it from at the end of the video. I put the logo correctly. Here you can change the color of the font if you want. There are many colors here. You have select as you like. Here you can change font if you want. Also you can add the text here and you can use numbers of elements from here. I will not customize anymore. I will download it now. The background of the design must be removed. So open a new tab, search background remove busy. Click on upload. Return to Canva again. Again click on create a design. Click on custom size. You will also give the size that I am giving here. If not, you will face a problem in uploading a various website. Click on elements. Search t-shirt mockup. Select anyone from here. Now upload your design here. Now I will show you how to find a logo according to your topic. For that, write your topic and search. You will find many logos here. Download the logo and remove the background. Here are many logo images, copyright free. You just type your topic and search. Select Creative Commons license. Find out the logo you need in this way. Now save it. Select the JPG format and click on download. Many thanks for watching the full video. Please do subscribe. Thanks for watching again.